How far are you willing to go to get better? Hi, I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks again for being a part of today's little dog and pony show. Be nice to my sponsors if you don't mind: Electro Voice and DJ Event Planner and Promo Only and Disc Jockey News and Perfect Portals, and of course my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. So it's a good question because I've had a lot of people ask me that, especially because it comes up in distance, first of all. When I do my workshops, The Entertainment Experience, usually they're here in Minnesota. And some people are like, that's really a long way to go. I mean, that's far. Like, okay. So you don't have to go a distance, but I will tell you that people that have taken workshops that you got to fly to, like the workshops my friend Mark Farrell does with Marbecca, one of, if not the best workshops you can take out there. My workshops where you got to fly to me, or any of the other ones out there. Those people that have done that, those people who have gone out of their way to go find what's necessary to be able to grow in their business, are the ones that actually move forward and do grow. Many of those people, most of those people, have got leading companies in their neck of the woods, are making more money than anybody else in their neck of the woods, because they've gone out of their way to invest in themselves in distance. And not just in distance, there's dollars involved, but it's something that just happens. No one just takes a thing like this and then just sits on it, because first of all, it takes a bit of commitment to get there, and secondly, it takes a bit of investment to do what you need to do. But they still don't. And I'm not saying that you should take mine or you should take Mark's. I think you should. I mean, I'm in the business of selling workshops, right? But if you really don't want to, but you really want to get something that will move you forward, then why aren't you looking into the educational opportunities that you have right there where you live? They're there. Trust me. You may have to drive a little bit to find a vocal coach, but more than likely, someplace in your small town, there is a choir director who could teach you and give you more that you need as a vocal coach, or a small town radio station where if you need to work on your diction, they're not going to like you very long on radio if you're not working on your diction. So you practice every single solitary day, or you're reading, or you're writing, or get into a play. There's lots of things you could do that you've never done that will put you on the path to being better at what you do as a performer. In business, there are people in your town that will take you on and teach you business. If not, business classes at the local high school, the local college, even online, for goodness sakes. Yet those same people don't go forward and even do that sort of thing. And the people that try to learn it online usually don't move as quickly because they don't really have a lot of skin in the game. What I mean by that is there wasn't a lot of investment to get an internet service and get a browser and click on YouTube and look up Be a Better MC. Because now you saw it, now you think you learned it, now you think you're better at it. You're not. You're not. It takes the practice of a workshop. It takes the coach of someone who can explain to you the things that not only you're learning, but the things you need to work on regularly. Okay? Nothing takes the place of a face-to-face a coached workshop. Nothing. Now, you take that thing and you're instantly better? No! Even the coach who does that's not going to tell you that's how it works. What it does is gives you a brand new perspective on what you're already doing. And with that new perspective takes new ways of being on you. New things that you could be doing. New things that you probably will be doing because you invested your time, your energy, yourself, and your money. You've got skin in the game. And with skin in the game comes motivation. And those motivated people who have taken workshops from Marbecca, my friend Mark and Rebecca Farrell, or from me, have found a way beyond those days to take that training and build something extraordinary. And those, if you look at 90% of the leaders in our industry, those people have gone in that direction. What do you think of this? I know it sounds like I'm just tooting my own horn, but really what I'm talking about is how far are you willing to go? How much distance will you put between your life now and the life you want to have? I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I will see you next week.